And we're back on a very chilly Thursday or Wednesday morning. So a little bit of an update on the Subaru, the never-ending pain in my ass. Did some troubleshooting, checked powers and got power to the coil. I don't know if I have power to the injectors. I don't smell anything. I haven't gotten that far yet. Did pull a couple plugs to make sure I didn't have any obvious mechanical damage from a piston to valve situation. Everything seems legit, but before I dig any further into the electrical system, I got to first make sure my mechanical system is sorted, because I did hear a noise going down the road when I was driving this thing last, and then it just kind of fell apart, like a distinct popped, and then it would accelerate or whatever. So, my gut is telling me it, for whatever reason, may have jump time again, even with the new belt tension and everything else that we just put on this car not that long ago. So today we just got the radiator out so I can get to this. I'm gonna pull all this stuff off real quick, pull the balancer, pull the covers, set the car back to TDC for the timing, is where the timing mark's supposed to be at, and see where we're at, and see what's off and what isn't, if anything at all. And kind of go from there. If it is off, I'll correct it, but since I already got it apart, everyone seems to think that a 36-2-2-2 crank gear setup, which is what the newer stuff and the EJs ran, is the way to go. I talked to Reese, and Reese said if you switch to that and rewire, the software will only read the crank and won't give two shits about the cam. So I guess that's a plus. But yeah, so I'm gonna get back to it and get to my stopping point before I go run some errands. And I'll come back later this evening and kind of see what we got.